Assalamualaikum. This is Mahfuzur Rahman from ICT Department, Milestone College. So welcome you all to my another video related with Photoshop. So in today's video we will learn lot of new things like eraser tool, gradient tool to make a lot of gradient feature to our picture or any editing graphics so that we can edit our picture according to gradient level, take a new level of gradient, or we can just simply use some eraser tool how to erase some object or something. All lot of exciting things we have to do in our today's video. So first of all, I want to mention again, please stay at home and stay safe for you and your family safety, and maintain safety hygiene at your home. And when you are going outside for any purpose or any important reason you want to go, please maintain safety and security, and please follow the guidelines of study what we provide you through our online WhatsApp group and from any other resources you got from us. Please follow all those instructions very carefully, because later the days on we have exams before Eid vacation. So my today's video we will learn lot of exciting things what I discussed already. So please watch the video carefully and practice it at your home. Obviously you ask me a lot of question about why we use this software. It's not even a latest version of Photoshop we use here. Please go to your book and see the screenshot we have. We are basically using the same Photoshop version what we have in our textbook prescribed by National Curriculum Textbook from board, which book the question came from to your upcoming SSC exams. So we are bound to follow the rules and regulation provided by National Curriculum Textbook Board. So please let's get started to my video, and I welcome you all again to my laptop what I'm going to show you for today's lecture. So welcome you all to my laptop screen. You see already I start Adobe Photoshop and I take an image. So today I'm going to show you how to use crop tool to crop a certain portion of an image. So I'm just selecting some portion from my image, as you can see. So you can select your own. You see lot of square boxes in every corner. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 boxes at each corner we have, so that you can select it and crop it. Just tap enter, you see the selection is done. So here you can select some certain same position. So now I am showing you how to use eraser tool. I am just selecting this eraser tool and to erase some portion of my image. I am just doing it randomly. So when you need, you can use the length of brush, adjust the length of eraser's shape. So how can you choose to erase some portion of this image as you go. So now I'm going to show you another exciting thing from Photoshop to use, how we're gonna use this gradient tool. So how many gradient tool we have? You see 1 2 3 4 5. This one linear gradient, after that we have radial gradient, after that we have angle gradient, then reflect gradient, then diamond gradient. We have these 5 options we can choose. So first I choose linear. You see lot of just gradients, a variation of gradients we have in Photoshop as basic, so you can choose your own and your color function also. So I'm just making a straight line. You see, wow, the linear gradient will appear here. So then the next option, you see, wow, it's another wow. You see, then next this is another option. You see, this way I can use these 5 gradient tools to make a lot of blended gradient to your image, and this one is for diamond gradient tool. So after that I will show you another exciting new things in Photoshop. So this is it. So now in edit option we have a thing like in image option we have also. After that I select a new image so that I can just adjust this image brightness and contrast. So for this option you have to go to image option, then adjustment, just tap here, you see brightness and contrast. I'm just selecting brightness and contrast. This dialog box will come and you will just adjust the brightness of this picture, just sliding this portion to left to right. Left one you see the brightness options plus marked 33, 20, and left you will tap, then it will go to negative. This one you see plus 18, 32, this one is the option. So you can just simply add this contrast and brightness option as you need to, just the brightness and contrast of your image, so that you will get a nice picture. Okay, I hope you understand my today's videos and lectures. If you have any confusion or question, please do it at our WhatsApp group, and you can feel free to comment at my videos comment section. Again and again I want to tell you a simple thing: please stay at home for your and your family safety. Allah Hafiz. This is Mahfuzur Rahman from Milestone College ICT department.